Okay, no joke. My camera's getting rained on, and I'm willing to risk it. This noise is coming from the sky. There's nothing in front of us. And it's changing locations. Linda's on the phone with Damon right now. We're gonna go investigate.
Is he coming over or is he picking you up?
Damon just called because he's hearing this banging noise, and we're gonna try to figure out. We're gonna try to get to the bottom of this noise.
Okay, I'll let him know. Bye. Okay, he said he's ready to go. He wants to go.
So at Damien's house, you can still hear it. That's pretty faint over here. Alright, let's go investigate. Alright, I got to an area where we think it's getting closer. Let's see if we can hear it. Oh, a lot louder. Listen.
It's a little closer. That's better.
So now we're taking a trip down here, down this, where that almonds here. So I'm assuming if there is hail cannon, maybe it'll be for the almonds. I don't really see it being for the grapes because all they're doing is raisins out here. Okay, listen. Okay, back on the trail. We're getting closer to solving the mystery. Sounds like it's coming from the sky, though. We're here at this structure, and it's not coming from the structure. Oh, man. And it's not coming from that structure. It's coming from the sky. You hear it over the engine and everything.
Crap, that's loud.
It's ridiculously loud. Listen to that. That's coming from the sky, Damien. Okay, no joke. My camera's getting rained on, and I'm willing to risk it. This noise is coming from the sky. There's nothing in front of us. And it's changing locations. The noise is bouncing back and forth, and it's getting closer. That's way closer. Okay, this is not a joke. I wish I was playing around. This is not a joke. Me and Damon drove out here in the middle of the orchard. You can see the stuff behind us. I assumed this sound was coming from that pump house. It is not.
What could be making such a noise?
Okay, this shit's getting closer. We gotta go, Damon. I don't want to get hit with no damn U.F.O. lightning bolt. Alright, so we're here. This noise is moving around the clouds. It's not on the ground. I'm a little freaked out right now because we cannot locate what it is. Looking around us, all there is grape vineyards. And I don't think they use hail cannons for grape vineyards. Alright. The noise has just stopped. Thought it might be coming from one of these farmhouses. It's never coming down these crazy roads that, you know, no trespassing, and they're not through roads. But does anybody know if they use hail cannons for grape vineyards? Because that is the only thing out here is grape vineyards, like as far as I can see. And we're gonna stop. And when we recorded earlier, it was right where the sun is, right in the middle of that vineyard. Earlier meaning less than 5 minutes ago. So here's the sky, and we did not figure out what the heck that strange noise was, but it was loud as shit. It was right over us.